Hey, hello, and welcome. I'm Laura, certified Canva community trainer, and I want to talk to you today about elements, in particular AI generated elements and elements in Canva. Have you ever found yourself stuck scrolling and scrolling and scrolling because you can't find the right element for your design? You know it's got to be in there somewhere, but there are thousands and thousands of different elements in Canva, and it can be really hard to actually find the one that you want to use. So Canva have made it so that you can generate your own AI elements. And I want to show you one particular option, which is the 3D elements. So let's head over to my Canva account and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so here we are. I'm on a blank template, a plain blank template. We'll just zoom it in a little bit so we can see what we're doing. And I've clicked on elements in the left-hand side. And I'm going to type in here a hummingbird, if I can spell correctly, with pink and purple feathers flying in the sky. Let's go with something a little bit crazy like that. So this is the element that I want to create, the element that I can't find in Canva. There's a generate button here. You can click generate, or you can click the little drop down arrow next to it. So this is where you can now delve a little bit deeper in what you want this element to actually look like, because there's a 3D option. Now I'm going to select 3D. And Canva is now going to create for me a hummingbird with pink and purple feathers flying in 3D. So we've created this wonderful design. Let's pretend we've created this wonderful design and we need this hummingbird and we can't find it in the Canva Elements section. So we just do this and we ask Canva to create it for us. So it looks like it's going to give me 4 different options in which I can then pick the right one that works with my design, and we will have the perfect hummingbird. Okay, so it has created me 4 different versions of hummingbirds in pink and purple. I really like these. I actually like this one the most. I think he's got the most elegant hummingbird shape. So I'm going to select it, not twice. I have now got my 3D hummingbird. So as it, you may have guessed with 3D, I can actually move it around and change the direction of where I want my bird to be. So he could be doing anything I want. So I think something like a side view could be really nice. I could have him in my design. Let's duplicate him and have another little look at a different view. So we could then maybe have another one looking in the other direction. So I can now include these within my design. And I don't have to just stop at that one. If I like, say, this little guy here, he's quite cute. I can now do the same with him. I can have him in my design as well, and I can move him about and change him. But I've got these amazing 3D elements that Canva have just created for me. So I haven't had to go searching through the elements section forever to find the right element to suit my design. I can get AI to do it for me. So what do you think of that? I hope that is useful. I hope you're sitting there going, oh, that's a really, really cool feature. I'm going to have a go at that. Please do. Any questions, always drop them into the comments. I'll come back and forth. I'm always in here checking out comments or questions as well. And that's it from me today. A nice short video just to show you how to create 3D elements using Canva AI. So I'm Laura, I'm a certified Canva community trainer, and I like to bring trainings and tutorials on Canva for you, mainly for business owners. So please don't forget to come and follow my channel so that you gain access to all of my future videos.